I think probably one of the biggest challenges was the sales process. And some of the things that Active Life talks about the frustration of overcoming obstacles that you have with clients that aren't getting the success that you want. But I think the biggest thing is the communication of sales and the value of what we do as coaches. To the everyday person walking in off the street that really just wants to get healthy, get fitter. So being able to actually communicate that into an assessment, a program, and results, in a nice package for them, is probably the biggest thing that I took away from, my work with Active Life. I would say don't wait. I waited a long time to take the immersion, and I think my life would be in a much different spot now had I not waited the years that I waited. It's a big investment, but you have to invest in yourself. And like I said earlier, as long as you immerse yourself in the material and you practice what you preach and you believe in what you're doing, good things will come and you'll see that return on the investment in yourself.